Hi, we're gonna make chicken wing with XO sauce. XO sauce is like that. You can buy them in a store and they call it XO sauce. Okay. Oh, we have here 12 pieces chicken wing. So it's about pound and a half. So all we have to do, we have just put some seasoning on it. Just put some salt on it and some black pepper. And you mix them around, mix them up. So get all the flavor evenly. So after that, we put some cornstarch in it, little coatings on the outside. Just a little bit. No, don't need to put too much. Just enough to cover it. That will make it better. That cornstarch will make it a little more crispy. Okay, then we turn the heat up. All right. Oh, and also the chicken wing, we cut them every pieces like you cut it open in the middle here, so make it easier to cook through, and the wing over here the drumstick like that, the little wing drumstick and like that. So it's open. I mean that's easier to cook through. So and you put some oil in it. So we want to cook the chicken wing first. Okay. See, if you cut them out a little bit, cut it open a little bit, it's a little bit easier to cook. See? Also, this one, you can see the one in here that open it up. You cut them, split them on both sides. You can turn them over right now. You can see them rounding up pretty good, so you just turn them over. And also you're going to turn down the heat to medium heat. So it just takes your time to cook it real slow to kind of get it cooked through. So if you cook it in high heat, it won't be that good because it will probably burn it. So you turn it down. Okay, I think that's about done. And then we're gonna scoop them up. You can add oil in it. We're gonna use some shiitake mushroom, fresh one, or you can use black mushroom, the dry one. And also some carrot, some red pepper, red onions, and gingers, couple chop up gingers and garlics. Okay, then we put the garlic in it first, and the ginger. You still have to use on medium heat. Don't turn it too high, just you'll burn it. Yeah, so you fry up the garlic and the gingers. And now you're gonna put the onions in it. Okay, and also you put the whole thing in. And you turn up the heat a little bit. Okay, then we're gonna put 3 cooking sherry, cooking sherry, 3 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, little black pepper, just sprinkle some black pepper in it, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Then 2 tablespoons of XO sauce. Okay. You have to cook it a little bit longer because you want to make sure they cook through the mushroom. And now you're going to put the chicken wing in it. Kind of stir them up. Keep stirring them until they kind of cover all the sauce into the chicken wing. Okay, and you put the little green onion into it. Onion. And cilantro. And you can turn off the heat. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, this is chicken wing with XO sauce.